Save the rainforest!
By Alyssa Heights on Brittany Boshenko.
Tropical rainforests. We all know them as the beloved home to some of our favorite animals such as toucans, Bengal tigers, and red-eyed tree frogs. They are very warm and wet biomes that have monthly temperatures of 64 degrees Fahrenheit and greater, and average annual rainfalls that range between 168 centimeters all the way up to 1,000.
Tropical rainforests are one of the most biodiverse places on the planet. They are home to about half of all living animal and plant species. Nearly 42,000 species of insects, 800 trees of 300 different species, and 1,500 species of plants can be found in a single hectare of this tropical rainforest. There's a lot out there, and there's plenty more to still be discovered.
Problems. We use the rainforest for wood, fruits, fibers, grains, medicines, cloths, resins, pigments, and so much more. Sadly, many of these products are obtained using deforestation practices. Deforestation adds air and water pollution, soil erosion, landslides, and a great loss of biodiversity.
Every day, about 137 plant, animal, and insect species disappear because of deforestation. This accumulates to about 50,000 species a year. It's possible that beneficial species are disappearing before you've had the chance to discover them.
Tropical rainforests once covered 14% of Earth's land surface, but it is now down to 6%. It is estimated that in less than 40 years, they'll disappear due to our consumption. Why you should care?
Why? For one, 121 prescription drugs used around the world are from plant-derived sources. A quarter of these drugs are used from ingredients found in the tropical rainforest. Only 1% of tropical trees have been tested for their substances, so there can be many more beneficial ingredients out there.
The U.S. National Cancer Institute has identified 3,000 plants that are active against cancer cells. 70% of these plants are found in rainforests, and 25% of the active ingredients in today's cancer-fighting drugs come from organisms found only in the rainforest.
Also, more than 20% of the world's oxygen is produced by the Amazon rainforest. Oxygen is pretty vital to our existence, don't you think? 1/5 of the world's fresh water is found in the Amazon water basin, also an essential resource.
What you can do to help?
We may not be able to preserve our rainforests and their precious resources, but we can conserve them. To start, look for the Frog on Rainforest Alliance certified products. These items were made in a sustainable way to conserve long-term health of the environment and wildlife. Some examples are Dove chocolate and products from Caribou Coffee.
For a bigger approach, adopt an acre of land through the Nature Conservancy. $50 will buy land, plant new trees, restore native vegetation, hire people to protect the land, and much more. Through big steps and even small, you can make a difference. Act now!